हेलो वेलकम बैक टू सीरियस स्पोर्ट्स। आज इंडियन वुमेन्स फुटबॉल टीम का मैच था उज़्बेकिस्तान के अगेंस्ट, जो हम हार गए 3-0। एक्सपेक्टेड था, फिर भी कुछ चीज़ें थी दैट वी कुड हैव डन बेटर बट वी डिडंट अनफॉर्चुनेटली। इन सम वेज इट वाज लाइक अ वेरी नॉर्मल डे इन इंडियन वुमेन्स फुटबॉल। मैच शुरू होना था पहले 6 बजे, फिर बाद में बोला गया दैट विल स्टार्ट एट 5:30। 4:43 4:44 तक लाइनअप वाज नॉट अवेलेबल। Match was supposed to start at 5:30, but 5:45 तक the stream was not active. Granted, it was a Uzbekistan FA का responsibility था to monitor the stream and everything, but a small update from your social media handles just says that you care about the fans who are trying to watch the match, right? 30 minutes into the match, the stream went off. It only came after the halftime break. And then in the last 45 minutes, we conceded 3 goals and unfortunately lost the match. Fourth goal भी होने वाला था towards the end, which fortunately we were able to defend. Some old errors that we have already seen, passes we still can't do properly, possession we still cannot hold properly. अभी भी वो स्ट्रैटेजी की कमी लगती है क्योंकि अटैक प्लान हम नहीं कर पाते। उज़्बेकिस्तान का फिनिश वाज़ नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग, वरना हम और गोल्स कंसीड कर सकते थे। So in some ways that kind of worked in our favor. But realistically, if we talk about where Indian women's football is going towards, this friendly was important. Lineup की अगर बात की जाए तो it was evenly distributed between Odisha FC and Gokulam Kerala players, only divided by one, which is Sangeeta, who's from SSB Women's FC, Kolkata based club. यंगर लाइनअप था। हमारे जो प्लेयर्स जिनके ऊपर हम डिपेंडेंट रहते हैं वो नहीं थे। नॉट दैट एक या दो प्लेयर्स कुछ मैसिव डिफरेंस कर सकते थे, बट कलेक्टिवली वी रियली नीड टू थिंक वेयर इंडियन women's football is going, because we always keep saying that our women's team can qualify for the World Cup before the men's team does, but currently the way we are going it does not look like we will. So we really need to start seeing how things go. um, Even from the coaching perspective, Chava Devi has taken over the responsibility of the head coach in the after the contract of Thomas Dennerby ended. But can an Indian football coach actually manage the position right now, considering there's such a long road ahead of us? Do we need another coach? We need to start asking some important questions. We need to understand how are we balancing. Of course, it's very important to give youngsters a chance, especially in a friendly, completely. But where are our senior players, and how are we going to balance it all out? Is something that we need to think of. मैच में जो सब्सटीट्यूशंस अगर हुए हैं तो वो भी उतनी क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा था, बिकॉज स्ट्रीम क्वालिटी वाज नॉट गुड. इट वाज बीइंग डन बाय वन कैमरा. इट वाज अ वन कैमरा सेटअप. In fact, even the penalty box line was not very visible. So एक हैंडबॉल की वजह से फर्स्ट गोल हमने जो कंसीड करा वो पेनल्टी थी. थर्ड गोल का it completely got missed because the camera was not targeting the ball. So we didn't even realize that the third goal had happened. So small little things make a difference. um, of course, game की quality तो improve करनी ही पड़ेगी, but even from making the overall package better, there's a long road ahead for us, and we really need to start asking questions. Of course, in the setup that we have, it does not look like the questions reach those people, or even if it reaches them, they want to hear the questions, let alone answer them. But as fans, that's all we can do. But at least that's something that we should be doing, right? Let's hope that in the next match that we have against Uzbekistan, we can come back with a stronger performance. अगर उज़्बेकिस्तान सही में अगर उनकी फिनिशिंग सही होती तो we could have lost by a bigger margin. So that's something that we really need to consider, and we really need to sit back and think where things are heading towards. Hope you liked this tiny review of the match and of how things panned out today. For more such content, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to show more love, like the video, leave a comment. I'm trying to do more content on Indian women's football in general, other sports such as tennis, pickleball. Also, I'm trying to bring some people who will answer questions around pickleball, and of course, Liverpool Football Club का content तो जाता ही रहेगा. So if you have any feedback on that front, please feel free to share that as well. And yes, thank you so much for watching. You'll never walk alone.